Hamas commander Mahmoud al-Mabou was found murdered in his hotel room, and the Dubai police chief has no doubt that Mossad was involved.
الآن الكف أرجح، يعني حينما يكون مثلا يقال أنه والله 7 مثلا حملت جوازات يعتقد أنها مثلا بريطانية، هم ذهبوا إلى إسرائيل والآن موجودين في إسرائيل. يعني ما أعتقد أن هذه مثلا جماعة السلام الآن مثلا في إسرائيل اللي عملوا العملية، أكيد بيكون هذا هو يعني الجناح.
Interpol issued an official red notice for 11 people identified by the police in Dubai wanted in connection with the murder. The assassins used fake European passport numbers to get through security checks, and the European leaders whose citizens underwent identity theft are not pleased.
Well, I'm very angry about it, and I'm very concerned. It's a very, very serious issue. It puts the security of Irish citizens at risk. We do know that 2 of the 3 we've contacted are regular travellers, and indeed 1 would have been travelling this weekend, and that person could very well have been arrested because of the information that has emerged from Dubai in terms of that assassination and murder in Dubai. So we're taking this extremely serious.
The Permanent Secretary made clear how seriously we take any suggestion of fraudulent use of British passports. He also explained the concern that we have for British passport holders in Israel, whose concerns have been well expressed by them, and we're offering them consular support.
Israeli officials are being strategically ambiguous about potential Mossad involvement in the case, but it is painting a clear, sunny picture about its relations with Britain.
זה לא נושא שמדברים בו בתקשורת. היחסים בין ישראל לבין בריטניה הם יחסים מצוינים. אני רק לפני שבועות אחדים ביקרתי בבריטניה, נפגשתי עם שר החוץ מיליבנד ועם ראשי המדינה. היחסים האלה עמדו במבחנים בעבר, הם יחסים מצוינים, ואין שום צורך להרחיב במשהו שהוא תיאורטי לחלוטין.
There is no absolute consensus about Mossad's involvement in the attack. However, this is not the first time the Israeli intelligence agency has been accused of using fake passports. In 1997, 2 Israeli agents were caught in Jordan when 2 agents using false Canadian passports fled to the Israeli embassy in Amman. In 2004, in New Zealand, 2 Israelis were arrested by police who trail them as they go to pick up a false passport. New Zealand suspends high-level contacts with the Jewish state after the incident.